Hello, my name is Daniel. Today we're gonna learn cooking actions. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's get started. Wait. Be sure you listen to me carefully and you repeat after me. Let's go now. Peel. Peel. You see that? Peel. Repeat after me, please. Peel. Peel. It's okay. Now a second cooking action. Slice. 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 I say slice. You see the action, you understand, and you can pronounce it yourself. Slice. Slice. Repeat after me, please. Slice. Do you understand the action? Slice. After that, we have grate. Grate. Let's say with me. Grate. Grate. Great. I think you understand that. Great. You repeat that. Great. You say great. Very good. It's okay now. I'm sure you understand and you can say that. All right, let's go now to another cooking action. It's whisk. 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 You can see the action. You say whisk. Can you repeat after me? Whisk. That's great. After that, we have boil. You say, listen carefully. You say boil. 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 It's okay. Boil. Look at the action carefully. Boil. And now repeat after me. Boil. Boil. I think everyone understands. Boil. It's okay. And the next cooking action is fry. 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 You say fry. Do you see the action? Fry. Repeat now. Fry. Fry. It's okay. It's easy to understand and say. You say fry. Great. Another cooking action now. It's bake. 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 Let's repeat that. Bake. We say bake. I'm sure you understand and you can say it. Bake. That's great. And next cooking action is pour. Pour. Do you see the action? Pour. Listen carefully. You say pour. Pour. And you see the action. To pour something. Pour. That's great. I'm happy because you can say that. You say pour. Let's go now to another one. It's mix. 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 I'm listening to you now. All right. You say mix. And you see the action. You see the movement. It's mix. That's great. And the next cooking action is roast. 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 You say roast with me, I'm sure. Roast. That's great. Do you understand the action? It's roast. After that, we have wall. Wall. Let's say together. Wall. Wall. Look at. Wall. Wall. It's wall. It's a cooking action. Wall. That's great. And the next one is stare. Stare. You say stare. We say together stare. It's stare. Look at. Stare. You see the action. It's stare. You say stare. This action is to stare. Stare. Great. And the last one is grill. 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 Please repeat that. Grill, grill, grill. You see the action? It's grill, grill. All right, I think you understand all of them. Now, let's pronounce them again. Peel, slice, grate, whisk, boil, fry, bake, pour, mix, roast, roll, stir, grill. Good, let's try again. Peel, slice, grate, whisk, boil, fry, bake, pour, mix, roast, roll, stir, grill. Great! Today you learned cooking actions with me. Please practice so that you can memorize them. Thank you for watching. Bye.